All right. All right, Gilbert Ramirez, what is happening with that case?
Yes, ma'am. I prefer the state. They're missing key pieces of surveillance evidence. So at the time being, they're going to try to provide it, but we'll set it for trial.
Yes, Judge, based on the report, it does appear the evidence is an accident. I just can't get in touch with the filing detective to share the case via partnership. He gets on shift at 5, so I plan on calling again and
All
getting him
right,
to do
when
it.
do you think you may have that information for
Within
defense?
the next.
All right, Norma, where's Gilbert Ramirez? Come forward. Oh, that's okay. Are you able to hear me from there?
Yeah.
All right, you can remain there then.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Norma, on this case, recall it for the second week in July. And you all already have an offer?
Yes, Judge.
All right, and make that the plea deadline date. All right, July 16th.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Okay, great.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, yes.
All right, Luis Salinas. I need probation.
And I'm on Zoom for Mr. Salinas, Your Honor, if you
All
need
right.
me.
All right, so your client is being ordered into SATF, and my understanding, you don't want to do that?
Oh, man.
All right, so follow MTR. So they'll file an MTR and then we'll go from there.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Luis, I'll set up a meeting. Is that okay, Judge? I'll set up a meeting and go over everything that your options are, okay? Can you hear me okay, Luis?
All right, thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll just reappoint.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Let me see who we have next. John Anthony Rodriguez, what's happening there? Oh. All right, do y'all have paperwork?
Yes, yes. I do have paper for that.
Okay.
2 minutes.
Jordan Summers, what's happening? What's gonna happen with that though?
They have to set it for contested, Judge. I'm working through it, so if you give me a few more minutes.
All right, and Deputy Laura, what's the status of the jurors? All right. And on this case that we're on jury trial, could you print 2 copies of the indictment for the interpreter and also for the court reporter, please? Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The court reporter. Thank you. Okay, thank you. And Norma, where is Algadrob? Which county?
He is in.
Come back in on Monday.
All right, thank you.
We're doing it tomorrow morning, right? I want to look that up. Maybe I'll think. Let's focus on this one. Right. I agree. Yes, sir. She's upstairs.
And to those who are on the jury trial, deputy has informed me that we're waiting for 2 jurors. You're welcome. All right, thank you.
Rodriguez?
Just gonna send in the box.
Hi.
Hi, Judge, may I approach?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. Just two quick things. There's a student here with us, so I don't want you to think that I'm just talking to somebody.
Hi.
I think he's.
Hi, come forward. Oh, welcome. So what languages do you speak?
Spanish and English.
Okay.
Yes.
Impress me with some Spanish that I won't understand what you're saying.
Ahorita no sé mucho, pero no sé.
All right. So what did he say to my Spanish? Could you repeat that? I'm going to test the other people who claim they speak Spanish. All right. Say it again.
Me da mucho gusto y mucho honor estar aquí con usted.
Thank you. And now the rest of you all who claim you speak Spanish, I know you do not. Thank you, Alfonso. It's great to have you here. And if you need anything, just let us know. I don't know, do you all need to sit near the witnesses or is the,
Well, when we have a witness up, if the court will allow us, maybe he can come with me and just stand over there so he can hear the whole thing.
do you all want to stand or sit?
We're just gonna sit until it's time for it to come up here, and I'd rather stand.
Okay.
For me, it's easier to stand.
Are you saying you rather stand because she rather stand or do you truly want to stand?
When we're up at
I
the,
would like to just follow her steps.
Okay, well, I know you're going to be great and pretty soon we're going to see you around training someone.
There you go,
Yes.
exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure. And if you need anything, just let us know,
Thank
okay?
you so much. I really appreciate that.
So welcome. And just so you know, other than her ability to speak Spanish, the only other person in this court who can actually speak Spanish is Alfonso. The rest of them, they couldn't tell me what you were saying.
Okay.
But I'm working, I can read it better than speak it because I decided to take French in school instead of Spanish.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
I didn't think I would be here, but here I am.
Here you are. Great.
I believe I remember we took a ginger shot together, right?
Yes.
Okay, with Michelle, our other intern. I remember that. I remember.
Forever, we still do ginger in the morning or something for the immune system because everybody here is coughing.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, awesome. You're welcome anytime.
thank you, Judge.
All right, thanks.
Next question, for coverage purposes, how long you think you're gonna go this afternoon? 5 o'clock?
Yes.
Okay, I'll let them know.
All right, thank
Thank
you.
you,
And whenever you need to switch out, just raise your hand and let me know.
Okay, I'll send them a message and we'll do it.
Okay, all right,
Thank you, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 6579 State versus Jordan Page Summers. Could I have parties approach and announce for the record?
Bring it up to the bench, Judge.
And are you Miss Summers?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and State's Motion to Supplement Pending Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? And did you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Are you the same Jordan Page Summers who was placed on community supervision for the offense of manufacturing and deliver a controlled substance penalty group 1 to 4 grams on December 5th, 2023 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Judge, I'm sorry. When I was looking at the judgment.
Yes.
Looks like she pled to count 2. So the state would move to strike on the motion.
All right, so actually we have a slight problem here. The problem in the court admonishment, it appears that they struck through the with intent to deliver. And when they did that, they still put it at 2 to 20 when it should be 2 to 10.
Yes, for the 3rd degree.
See, I thought it was a third degree judgment. At
Yeah.
least that's how
When
it
the
appeared to
judgment
me.
says 3rd degree.
Right, that's how it appeared to me.
But-
Alice.
In the paperwork, they put it as a 2nd degree. So is there a motion to amend the motion to revoke community supervision?
Yes, Judge, on the state's motion to revoke community supervision and the state's motion to supplement pending motion to revoke probation regarding the offense listed, we would move to strike the Mandel and replace with possession of a controlled substance PG 1 gram to 4 grams.
Any objection?
No objection, Judge.
All
That's
right.
in line with the court's records.
Thank you. Then state which allegations are you proceeding on?
But Judge, we were going to ask for a reset on this one, so.
Reset? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I just got appointed on this, visit with my client. There's some, we're trying to explore some mitigation options for the court. You know, I've talked to the state. We do have, at least an understanding, that there is a need to maybe adjust some things with this, but we would like to be able to present some evidence to the court.
What time are you requesting?
I think good if we could do 3 weeks, Judge, but, again,
Norma, if you could recall this for 3 weeks for contested.
yes, ma'am.
All right, June 30th.
June 30th? Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, anyone else ready?
Yeah.
All right, John Rodriguez. And Deputy Laura, let me know whenever the jurors are here. The court is calling 2026 CR 006920, State versus John Anthony Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
State, Brandon Lopez for Mr. Rodriguez.
And are you Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we're proceeding on count one, waiving and banning count two.
All right, any objection?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions. And the state is proceeding with the enhancement. If the enhancements are proven to be true, then your range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a 10, off the record. If y'all want to initial.
Yes, Your Honor.
So if the state is able to prove up the enhancement allegations, then your range of punishment will be anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow the plea. If the court does not follow the plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will underneath that. You will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He's confident, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Content.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. The state is proceeding on count 1. You agree that you've been previously convicted of 2 or more felonies for purposes of enhancement. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 3446. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense and state?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it
Yes, Your Honor.
and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No conflict.
And to the enhancements, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
State any evidence.
Judge, we have exhibit number one, all attachments.
No objection, Your
All
Honor.
right, state you may be, oh, we still have that.
One more.
All right. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty, and the court will find the enhancements true based upon your plea of true and states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We ask the court to follow the plea bargain, Your Honor.
All right, the court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 3446. And that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. We're going to move on to 2023 CR 3446. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same John Anthony Rodriguez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 3446 for the offense of burglary of a building with intent to commit theft on November 9, 2023 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Judge, we proceeding on violation of condition number one, specifically the on or about the 15th day of March, 2026, in Ware County, Texas. Defendant John Anthony Rodriguez committed the offense of theft of property in violation of condition number one,
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
and will waive the remaining allegation.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to revoke the defendant, sentence him to 3 years TDCJ, and run this concurrent with the previous case.
All right. Is there a reason why I should only sentence him to 3 years? Because he was on for burglary of a building, and then he proceeds to commit another burglary of a building.
Your Honor, my client has struggled with substance abuse. He openly admits that he gave probation a very good chance. I know that he also struggles with housing and finances. This is certainly a setback, Your Honor. I don't believe he is a threat to the community. Obviously, some things are occurring that's a violation of the law, but we are asking the court to follow that plea bargain, Your Honor.
All right. Court is previously stated is going to find violation of condition number 1 true. The court will find you guilty or revoke. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. The court will request the therapeutic community, and this will run concurrent with 2026 CR 006920. All right, and that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so here's the thing. When you are released, If you can't find a place to help you with your addictions, look me up. I will pick up the phone and call and get somebody to help you. Otherwise, it's not going to end well. Either you're going to end up in prison, either you're going to end up breaking into a building and somebody's going to be there and they're not going to look too kindly on that, or either somebody's going to end up identifying your body. Okay.
I'm gonna come in here and ask for help.
Okay. And then make sure with the therapeutic community, I don't have the jurisdiction to force them to place you in that program, but they definitely won't do it if you don't request it. And in your judgment, it's going to show that you need the therapeutic community for substance abuse. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Can I have the card?
Oh, let me see. Where's
Who's the girl?
no, that's Sydney's. Oh, you know what? Yeah. Give him Norma's card. She'll know how to get in contact with me.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that on there?
Missing one juror. Who's next?
I'm always
Charles, who do you have?
getting them confused, what goes with what, so I've done them all.
This is on Mr. Cantu from yesterday. I'm just asking you to allow him to drive.
Okay, and that one.
Larry.
Oh,
Driver.
any objection?
Yes, chief. Well,
Yes, Your Honor, just
our
the court ordered
office
it
objects.
yesterday, and given the defendant's criminal history with cars being involved, the state will object.
All right, so you're gonna need to give me some, I will start out with just for him for employment
Okay,
purposes. And employment purposes only.
Okay.
And he'll have to provide proof of insurance and a valid driver's
Yes, ma'am.
license.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. You know what? Let me just print out my own.
Okay.
I'll print that out and I'll give it to you before you leave.
Like, for example, when he's supposed to report to parole and probation, that's not work related. How's he?
Oh, no, they'll allow him to do that.
But they're not stopping. I mean,
Oh, no, I mean, they will,
probation will?
yes.
Okay, okay.
And if there's an issue with that, let me
Okay.
know.
Okay, thank you.
It's just outside of that.
I understand.
Yeah.
I just don't want a situation where he reports to probation, they follow him out and see that he drove himself and then
Oh, no.
he's in violation of your orders.
Let me see.
Do we want to put that in the order since that's what?
Oh, I'll be here. We'll know.
Like I've been standing here all day.
Yeah.
I brought it back, I think. No, it's on my desk. I have your purple pen on my desk. I thought I brought it back, but I grabbed the wrong, it looked like this one, but it's not this. I'll bring it back tomorrow. I have it. I realized that yesterday, so how did I get a purple pen? Done. I'll buy you 12 anyway. All the stuff you do for me, that's the least I can is let you write in purple.
I'll put it in the order. I'm not doing some of
I think it's good.
Huh?
So I'll put it on.
Yeah, she didn't call it. I know, because I've had people want to, I'm like, I'll pull it off the YouTube from my audio, maybe one. But I've had
It's a good
people
deal.
wanting to pull it off the YouTube. I don't know, if it was never on the but she said go ahead and do it on that one, so I did it.
Because you're free.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
And I'll be here at 9 o'clock in the morning. for
Yes.
The other deal.
And if you want to talk to probation and see if there's going to be an issue with that, where they definitely want me to say that
Okay.
he can drive to come to his
Should I-
probation meetings.
For Sean to come
Yes.
tomorrow? Okay. Thank
And
you.
I'll put that in our system notes, Your Honor, just so.
Okay.
It's
All right, thank you. And I'm sorry, Charles, what's the cause number again?
2026-007271.
Wait a minute, 2026.
CR.
7271.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
All right, who else is in the box?
I have to go from Kirk County Judge. Arnold Benya.
All right. Then what we'll do is hold him. Norma, put a hold on him from Kerr County. And then what will end up happening is we will get in touch with Mr. McLean. And I will give you a setting date, okay? And who else is here in the box?
Justin Gonzalez.
Oh, Justin Gonzalez. And where's Orlando Castañon?
He's the one that was coming from Mount County on that capital leverage.
All right, then what's going to end up happening is just recall him for tomorrow. All righty. And so we can take the rest of them back and we'll make sure that we get you this week sometime, okay? Thank you for your patience. And then state defense, if you all want to check to see if the equipment is working, we never know.